Baboon. Baboons are primates that belong to the genus Papio, which is part of the larger family Cercopithecidae, also known as Old World monkeys. There are 5 species of baboons, and they are found in various parts of Africa, from the Arabian Peninsula to South Africa. Baboons are known for their distinctive appearance, with a long snout, powerful jaws, and a thick coat of fur. They are also known for their social behavior, living in large groups called troops that can number in the hundreds. Within the troop, there is a complex social hierarchy, with dominant males at the top. Baboons are omnivorous, feeding on a wide variety of foods including fruits, insects, and small animals. They are also known to raid crops and other human food sources, which can sometimes bring them into conflict with people. Despite being protected by law in many areas, baboons are still threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and disease. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating primates and their habitats. The lifespan of baboons varies depending on factors such as species, sex, and environmental conditions. In general, baboons can live for up to 30 years in the wild. Although most individuals do not reach this age due to various factors such as predation, disease, and environmental stress. Male baboons tend to have a shorter lifespan than females, as they face more competition and physical risks associated with their role in the social hierarchy. Female baboons, on the other hand, tend to live longer as they are less exposed to such risks. In captivity, baboons may live longer than in the wild, with some individuals living up to 45 years or more. However, it's important to note that keeping baboons in captivity is not ideal and can have negative impacts on their health and well-being. Therefore, efforts should be made to protect baboons and their natural habitats in the wild. Baboons are highly social animals that live in groups known as troops, which can range in size from just a few individuals to over 100. Within the troop, there is a complex social hierarchy, with dominant males at the top, followed by females and their offspring. This hierarchy is maintained through displays of aggression and submission, as well as grooming and other social interactions. Baboons are active during the day, spending much of their time foraging for food, which can include a wide range of items such as fruits, seeds, insects, and small animals. They are also known to raid crops and other human food sources, which can sometimes bring them into conflict with people. Communication is an important aspect of baboon behavior, and they use a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body postures to communicate with each other. For example, a baboon may make a loud bark to warn others of danger or use a threatening posture to assert dominance. Baboons are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They have been observed using tools, such as using sticks to probe for insects or using rocks to crack open nuts. Baboons are social animals and their mating behavior can vary depending on the species and the particular group of baboons. Generally, baboons engage in both monogamous and polygynous mating behaviors. In polygynous groups, dominant male baboons will mate with multiple females in the group. These males typically have large canines, which they use to assert their dominance over other males in the group. The dominant male will defend his harem of females from other males, and will typically mate with them on a regular basis. In monogamous groups, a male baboon will typically mate with a single female. These pairs will usually remain together for several years and may mate for life. However, in some cases, males may also engage in extra-pair copulations with females outside of their pair bond. During mating, male baboons will often mount females from behind and thrust until ejaculation. Females will typically show signs of receptivity, such as presenting their hindquarters, and may engage in vocalizations and physical contact with the male. It's worth noting that while baboons are known for their social behavior, mating can also be a source of conflict within groups. Other males may attempt to challenge the dominant male or mate with females in his harem, which can lead to aggressive behavior and fights. Here are some interesting facts about baboon life. Number 1. Baboons are primates and are found in Africa and Arabia. There are 5 species of baboons, which range in size from 50 to 120 centimeters in length and weigh between 10 and 40 kilograms. Number 2. Baboons are social animals and live in groups called troops. These troops can range in size from a few individuals to over 100 members. Number 3. Baboons are omnivores and will eat a variety of foods, including fruits, seeds, insects, and small animals. They are also known to scavenge for food. Number 4. Baboons have a hierarchical social structure, with dominant males at the top of the hierarchy. Dominance is established through displays of aggression and physical confrontations. Number 5. Baboons have complex communication systems, which include vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. They use these signals to communicate with each other and to establish social relationships. Number 6. Baboons are known for their grooming behavior, which helps to maintain social bonds within the troop and to remove parasites from their fur. Number 7. Female baboons give birth to a single offspring every 1 to 2 years. The young baboon will stay with its mother for several months before becoming more independent. Number 8. Baboons are preyed upon by a variety of predators, including lions, leopards, and hyenas. They will use their numbers and social organization to defend against these threats. Number 9. Baboons have been observed using tools, such as sticks, to forage for food and to defend against predators. Number 10. Human activities, such as habitat destruction and hunting, have had a significant impact on baboon populations, and several species are considered to be endangered or vulnerable.